Hey guys, in this video I'm going to take your knowledge of dilations and I'm just going to relate it to the measurements of area and perimeter, because basically a dilation is making a figure bigger or smaller. So if it's enlarging or reducing, you are really going to change the area and perimeter. So when a figure is dilated by a scale factor of x, let's just say it's x, some number, its perimeter will also change by that number. But its area is going to change by that number squared. Okay, so like if its scale factor is by 5, your perimeter is going to change by 5, but the area is going to change by 5 squared, which is 25. For example, if its scale factor is 10, the perimeter is going to change by 10, but the area is going to change by 10 squared, which is 100. Let's try some out. Here we have a rectangle. We know that on a rectangle the opposite sides are congruent. So my perimeter is going to be 6 plus 6 plus 3 plus 3, which is 18. However, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, yep. However, the area is also going to be 18 because length times width, 6 times 3 is 18. Now, I'm going to dilate it by a scale factor of 3. And if I'm dilating by scale factor, then I'm going to multiply it by 3. So 6 times 3 is 18, and 3 times 3 is 9. So my new dimensions is 18 by 9. That means my perimeter goes to 18 plus 18, which is 36, plus 18, which is 36 plus 18, 4, 1, 54. And my area is 18 times 9, which is 162. So what you can see is that the new perimeter is 54, but it's 3 times the original perimeter. So 18 times 3 is 54, and with the area is 162, but it's also 9 times the original. Remember, you are multiplying it by your scale factor squared. So 3 to the power of 2 is 9, and 9 times 18 is 162. Let's try another one. Here we have the same rectangle. We know our perimeter is 18 and our area is 18. But now my scale factor is 1/3. So I know 1/3 times 6 is equal to 2. So my new length is 2. And 1/3 of 3 is 1. So my new width is 1. Well, that means my new perimeter is 6 and my new area is 2. Okay, but remember, 1/3 times 1/3 is 1/9. So if I take 18 over 1 and multiply it by 1/9, I also get 2. So although my perimeter is 6, it is also 1/3 times the original perimeter. So 1/3 of 18 is 6, which is still what I went with. And the scale factor for the area, yes, it's 2, but it's also 1/9 times the original. Okay? If the pattern confuses you, just draw the actual shape. Okay? Don't make it confusing. Notice every time I drew out a rectangle to help me, do it. It's not going to hurt you. But if you see the pattern, you can simply use the pattern to help you find the new perimeters and areas. So in summary, the dilations impact the perimeter of a solid figure because you are multiplying the perimeter by the scale factor. But if you are doing area, you are multiplying by that scale factor squared. And that's mostly because the area of a squared is x times x, which is x squared. Okay, but again, just draw out your shapes. That's going to help y'all the most. Enjoy your day.